Hey boys, so we're gonna start on your teacher gift, okay?
Okay.
Let me see where if I found that. Shall I try one with the wood? And you notice how I keep breaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually don't like that on the back too. So we're gonna do the same thing we did with the grandma signs for grandma, but not
And
the
do it
line.
with plastic.
And we're gonna use a plastic sheet. Cool?
Yeah.
Mark this. All right, bud. So you're gonna go ahead and do for Miss Lee, okay?
Okay. Ready?
Remember, this has to go down.
Okay.
You want to start from the bottom or you want to start on the top?
The top. I think the bottom will be easier, so I think
Okay.
bottom.
Smart man, do the easy stuff first. You're gonna cut right through it. Take it off before you start, then you turn it on. Where is it? Nice job. Turn it off. Turn it off. Open that. Don't get it back. You have to open. Bring it on. You put it in this movie. Okay? Yes, sir. Okay, Shrifty. We're gonna spray paint this white before we do any other stuff, okay?
Okay.
When you spray paint, make sure the wind is behind you. Got it? What happens if you spray, it's just gotta go all on you, alright? So the wind is behind us or in front of us? Okay, then you can start spraying this side, okay? Just press the button and just go back and forth. Here, I'll do one first. See? Just stand inside on the wind. Okay, go.
Okay. So where's the button? Here?
There. Make sure this is facing down, okay? Shake it up, go. You got it?
Huh?
Ah,
Too weak.
weak muscles.
I'll paint it a real color. You guys' teacher's favorite color is green, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let it dry, and we'll come back later.
Yeah. Peace.
We're gonna do Miss Moon first,
Mhm.
since E-Man is at tutor.
Jinx.
Okay. Remember how we did Mom? The sign for Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do the similar,
Thing.
by putting just a little bit of glue in here, and then we're gonna put glitter on top, okay?
Okay.
Where should we start?
Let's start from green.
What color does your teacher like?
Miss Moon likes purple.
And what? Oh wow, it's gold and yellow. Okay. Let's start this, okay? Cool?
So what color?
I'll be going here. Since you like purple, we're gonna put purple in here, okay?
Mostly purple. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then the little ones.
Yeah, this is for the paintbrush. All right, pick a color and put it in here.
I'll do blue, this, and this. Okay? Actually, I'll do silver since you won't see the white.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot, I messed up. We don't have any flashcards. Okay. You have to be careful, okay? Go.
I'll do blue right here.
Okay. Just careful. Remember, tap the top. It's tilted, bud. Tap the top, tap the top, tap the top. This top, buddy. Not too much.
Daddy, we can't keep it in one spot.
I know. We don't.
Okay, good.
Okay. No, just leave it there. Let it dry, okay?
And then we'll remove the excess.
Just push it in here, in here.
So we don't have to waste.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how to get these parts out.
That's okay.
Later when it dries, we'll
What color do you want to do
dust
next?
it out. Let's do this.
Silver? Okay. Remember, just that area, okay? Don't get it all over the place.
Okay, okay.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, when it dry, we can turn it upside down.
And then everything will fall off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will be satisfying.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Good?
Okay.
Okay. This is
Okay, I'm gonna hold. Oops.
that messed up.
Oh. Gotta be careful, buddy.
Sorry.
Oh man, we can't just blow it off, huh? Safe.
Safe. We just need to wipe your hand and then.
Yeah, just need to wipe my hands. That's correct.
That was a lifesaver.
Okay, give me a sec, okay? Let me wash my hands before we continue, or else we're gonna get it all over the place.
their glitter one?
Yes, sir. Okay, so Am, help you out with all the small areas. See how many different colors we work with?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn to do all the big areas, okay?
Okay. So this first we're gonna start putting glue in.
Well,
Is it
don't
open?
open it, bro.
I didn't know it was open.
Oops, did I even press start? Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, sir. Okay. What color does Miss Lee likes?
Green. Green is good.
When you shake it in, make sure you're in the slot, okay?
Okay.
These are somewhat dry. Don't press on it. These are somewhat dry, so that if you overfill or you overshake the glitter,
Yeah.
it's not gonna go over. Okay, it's not gonna bond. Okay.
Okay.
Here, let me start.
I can help. I want to do the glue part.
Too much, buddy. Too much. Okay, let me do the glue. You're overfilling it, bud.
Sorry.
It's nothing to be sorry, but it's not gonna come out nice. Or as nice as we can do it.
Wait, Dad, did you say on this down?
What happened?
Did you say on this down?
Stop shaking. Yes, I did. Mostly just the surface and outside.
Okay. This actually looks like foam.
It's plastic, bro.
I know, but the plastic looks kind of like foamy.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not trying to be weird, but
There's nothing weird about that, buddy.
can I do the rest, please?
But you gotta make sure you don't
Okay,
overfill,
I won't. Sure.
While you do those other glues should be, what you call, flatten itself out. Not too low, go.
Here. Oh.
I'm letting my hand go, not too low.
Okay. Good go. Oh,
Just go in there. Good job.
what?
They're so loud.
We are trying to get every single edge of it.
I'm gonna zoom in, okay?